Welcome back to Classic Motors. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Shelby Baja Raptor, a truck that's pushing the limits of what an off-road vehicle can be. Shelby American has taken the already impressive Ford F-150 Raptor and added their magic to create something truly exceptional. If you're into power, performance, and rugged style, this is definitely the truck for you. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Shelby Baja Raptor screams off-road capability. It's built on the platform of the Ford F-150 Raptor, but Shelby has taken it to the next level. The first thing you'll notice is how aggressive it looks. The bold Shelby branding, custom hood, and unique graphics make it stand out from the regular Raptor. The truck sits higher with the help of a lifted suspension system, giving it an imposing presence on the road or trail. With massive 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in 37-inch BF Goodrich KM3 tires, this beast is built to tackle anything in its path. The wide fender flares, front bumper, and grille have been upgraded with Shelby's signature styling. The LED lighting system not only enhances visibility during night rides but also adds to the truck's mean appearance. The addition of a heavy-duty steel rear bumper and bed-mounted spare tire carrier signals that this vehicle means business when it comes to serious off-road adventures. The attention to detail on the exterior is incredible, with carbon fiber accents and custom Shelby badging throughout, letting you know that this is no ordinary truck. Moving inside, the interior of the Shelby Baja Raptor is just as impressive as its exterior. Shelby has added premium leather upholstery with their logo embroidered on the seats, giving the cabin a luxury feel despite the rugged exterior. The seats are incredibly comfortable and supportive, ideal for long off-road journeys. The dashboard and door panels feature carbon fiber trims, further adding to the premium vibe. You'll find all the latest technology inside as well. The 12-inch infotainment screen comes equipped with Ford's Sync 4 system, which includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. The sound system is upgraded with a high-performance Kicker audio setup, which delivers crystal-clear sound whether you're driving through the city or deep in the wilderness. Other notable features include dual-zone climate control, a panoramic sunroof, and plenty of storage space to accommodate your gear. But what really sets the Shelby Baja Raptor apart is its performance. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, which has been tuned by Shelby to produce an astounding 525 horsepower and 610 pound-feet of torque. This is significantly more than the standard Raptor, and you can feel the difference the moment you hit the gas. The Baja Raptor can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, which is extremely impressive for a vehicle of its size and weight. The 10-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and the four-wheel drive system is designed to handle even the toughest terrain. Shelby has upgraded the suspension with a Fox Racing system, providing better ground clearance and shock absorption, making it perfect for high-speed desert runs or crawling over rocks. The truck feels incredibly stable, no matter what type of terrain you throw at it. Whether you're driving on a smooth highway or tackling rocky trails, the Baja Raptor performs like a champion. As for pricing, the 2025 Shelby Baja Raptor isn't cheap. You're looking at a base price starting around $135,000, which is significantly higher than the standard Ford Raptor. But when you consider all the upgrades in performance, style, and off-road capability, it's clear that this truck offers a unique package for those who want the ultimate off-road experience. Plus, with Shelby's limited production, it's bound to be a collector's item in the future. In conclusion, the 2025 Shelby Baja Raptor is a truck that combines power, performance, and luxury in a way that few others can. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just someone who wants a high-performance truck that can handle anything, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning into Classic Motors, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next video.